Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I want to do a video today on Streaksapp. This is my new favorite habit tracker app so far. It works for macOS and also iOS. The one right here is macOS. You can see I have these text-edit programs up. I did a video on Habitica a while back, and I like that a lot because it was gamified. Habit tracking was really fun to do, but I wanted something that was fast and a little bit more like lean down, and so I'll talk about it in a bit, but I'll just go through some of the features here. Basically, here are my tasks I have every day. I have this mindful minutes task pause because I'm not focusing on that. Whenever I completed a task for a day, I just click and hold, and that just shows that I've completed that task. And so I can just complete these, and if I just click once, it'll show me my streak for when I've completed it. These white circles are the days where I've done it. And then here's how I have it set up. Here's my daytime. Oh, also, if you click it again, then you can look at your actual percentages, which is pretty cool. So in the last 7 days, I've completed this task about 57%. I've read somewhere that the best aim is to complete a habit around 60 to 70%. Obviously, you want to go for 100%, but if you get that 70% habit, then you can just continue piling on new habits, which is really good. So I have it green. Most people see the Streaksapp, it's orange, but I just like it green because it's daytime. And then I have this kind of black screen where I flip it around, and these are my nighttime tasks. So I have plan the next day and incantations, which is just like developing the right mindset. Let me just flip this back here. So if I say I forget to put in a task for that day, but I completed it, what can I do? Well, you can actually edit your streaks. So if you go to the second mini screen here and you click and hold, then this calendar pops up and you can go back and change. Click once to clear it, click twice to complete the task, or to exit out and not complete the task. Aside from that, it has a pretty cool kind of like graphical system to see all your tasks that you have. So my best streak was 13, and I've actually haven't had that good of a run with these. So you can see like there's definitely a lot more volatility in how I complete this. And you can kind of dig into these deeper, which is neat. I think I don't use the statistics so much as I like knowing that I have the statistics, so it's just like nice and graphical for me. And the last thing is it's really customizable. So to add a task, you just come here and you just add a task, and it gives you different presets, and there's a lot of different icons too to choose from. So even if you just say something random, then you can come here and it'll actually generate an icon for you, or you can choose one of the many icons that it has. So I'm not going to add this task. And of course you can customize whether or not you're going to sync it with iCloud. I do that because I like to have it on my phone too, and your notifications. So I have certain tasks notify me at automatic times, and then certain other tasks notify me at specific times. So right here, I don't want any reminders for this task because I know I'm going to do it. But it does a good job of picking a general time to notify you. And then you can also drag and redrop the different tasks to darker night. And I think that's mostly it. So to kind of say why I like this app so much, I think the key to a good habit tracking app is how fast you can go into it and use it, right? Because if it's taking me a long time to think about how I'm going to add the task to my habit tracking platform, then I'm just not going to be tracking my habits. So this, because it's graphical and it's fun to see that button highlighted, then it makes me want to just click on and just say that I've completed that habit. And it's also, one of the main things is that it's also synced to my phone. So whatever's easiest for me, whether or not I get to my computer or whether or not I get to my phone.